The impact this disease has had on my family has been enormous. Imagine getting a phone call tonight and hearing that your mom has an incurable disease. Someone you always viewed as extremely healthy. You expected her to live well into her 90s, both based on her genetics and her health history. This was devastating for my whole family. The pivot from healthy to seriously ill was breathtakingly quick. My son has said that waiting for those lab tests takes forever when you are the patient or the family member. He found himself advocating for additional tests and additional specialists, and that process of researching a little-known illness with poor prognosis and very difficult treatments was very, very hard for him. It has resulted in an increased willingness on his part and a desire to advocate more for his own patients. My husband, the guy who retired from being a doctor so he could become my nurse, he has guilt to this day for not knowing or finding the disease sooner. But he has been there every step of the way. All of my chemo transplants, all of the stem cell transplants, staying in other cities, all my trips to Mayo, I could not ask for a better caregiver. My daughter, she observed subtle changes in my eating behaviors, and just in her gut, she knew something was wrong. And she was the one that insisted that I needed to have a medical workup. And she was the one that activated the whole family. She's also been a wonderful source of support.